Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to uncover the secret to efficient maintenance management for any team, maintenance triggers. We'll discuss how these triggers can drastically improve your operations and save you time and money. You'll learn about 5 different types of triggers: time, usage, breakdown, condition, and event. Each of these plays a key role in making your maintenance and reliability tasks more automated and precise. So let's get started. Let's dive right into the world of maintenance triggers, a crucial component for any maintenance and reliability team. If you're managing a maintenance program, knowing these triggers can save you time and money, and today we're exploring the different types that can be integrated into your CMMS software to keep your operations smooth and efficient. First up, we have the time trigger. This is one of the most common triggers used in maintenance. It's all about timing. Whether it's applying grease to machinery or changing air filters when the seasons change, time triggers help you schedule maintenance at regular, predefined intervals. It's perfect for routine tasks and ensures that nothing gets overlooked. Moving on, let's talk about the usage trigger. This trigger is less about the clock and more about how much your equipment is actually being used. It's a fantastic way to ensure that machines which are used irregularly still receive the maintenance they need after a certain number of uses. For example, company vehicles that reach a specific mileage would be flagged for maintenance. It's a smart way to base maintenance strictly on equipment usage, keeping everything in top shape. Next, we have the breakdown trigger. This is straightforward. When something breaks, it triggers maintenance. It's a key part of run-to-failure maintenance strategies. While this might sound like waiting for a problem to happen, it can be quite effective for managing a fleet of low-cost or easily replaceable equipment. This method minimizes downtime by having replacements ready to go, although it does require keeping spare parts on hand, which might not align with just-in-time delivery policies. Then, there's the condition trigger. This is where things get a bit more technical. Maintenance needs are determined based on the actual condition of the equipment. Thanks to modern technology, conditions like temperature, vibration, and noise can be monitored remotely, signaling when maintenance is needed. This method is ideal for predictive maintenance programs and helps avoid unnecessary checkups, saving both time and resources. Lastly, we explore the event trigger. Sometimes external events can cause or reveal damage that needs immediate attention. For instance, if there's a flood, you might need to check electrical systems or infrastructure to ensure everything is still in good order. The event trigger helps teams respond promptly to such incidents, maintaining the integrity and functionality of equipment and facilities. Incorporating these maintenance triggers into your CMMS system not only helps in keeping your equipment running smoothly, but also ensures that maintenance tasks are performed precisely when needed. It's about making the system work for you, automating processes, and never missing a beat in maintenance schedules. Whether you're a facility manager or part of a maintenance team, understanding and utilizing these triggers can make a huge difference in the efficiency and reliability of your operations. And that wraps up our discussion on maintenance triggers. We've covered time, usage, breakdown, condition, and event triggers, and how they can improve the efficiency and reliability of your operations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help streamline your maintenance and reliability tasks, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, understanding and utilizing these triggers can make a huge difference in your operations. So don't wait. Visit upkeep.com today.